guys, this is Emily from 10K. If you follow our 10K Facebook page or our 10K Instagram, you might have known that we entered the competition for another Hmong song music video by H Misfits. So if you want to support us and help us win, because we really need the money for new equipment and stuff, you can help us by liking our video and sharing it to your friends and families. I will link down the I will put the link down on the description below, so you can help us like the video and help us win.
Oh shit.
Hey, stop it! Stop it, Julieta, stop it!
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, where's his mask? 2, 3, 4, 5. Here.
I like bad women. I like bad women. I don't care how bad you are. Oh, I know I love you. Oh, I know I love you.
Can you hold on to my...
You look like a bully yourself. It's called Phil and dumbass people. Bro! It could cover Emily's whole body.
This did cover my whole body. This did cover my whole body. This did cover my whole body.
Y'all tying it too tight to the balloons. I want to wear now.
That makes sense if you have a mask. It does, right? I mean, you can still sing with a mask.
You need to move your throat. No, like. Okay, so I didn't mean to say your throat. I meant to say your mouth. I am so sorry. So that people could kind of like tell that you are moving your mouth. You know what I mean? But just like, don't act like you're eating.
I don't need that. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. Oh wait, maybe that'd be easier. Okay, sorry, please. Okay. Ready? Lucas, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're solo. But she can run away.
Okay.
Just sit with Kevin. Michael, sit with Kevin. And you guys are friends. Michael's just watching.
He's a bully?
Yeah.
You're a bully.
Michael, just sit with Kevin, Michael.
No.
Hi. Oh, it's gonna be so. Yes.
Có Tết thơ mê ca, có dùng cho cú lúc xe ta ta, có dùng gạo trà. Yo ngồi nu, yo hai thì con đã tàu tu, dùng chỉ buồn rau thì con na. Cú si chạp lơ khó chỉ กัน
She's not moving.
Cleo! It is hot.
Nó kìa, cái thân dày đó.
Aw, they're so cute! Ooh!
Yeah, cut.